Klook. The best Thai food in Bangkok you can't miss. One of the biggest reasons people keep going back to Bangkok is the huge array of delicious and cheap local food. If you're a foodie, you'll have to check out these local food stalls in Bangkok, serving up only the most authentic and hearty plates of your favorite Thai dishes. You'll probably only spot locals in these food joints, and that's how you know this place is the real deal. We've put together some of the best restaurants serving up the most delicious food, and the best part is you can access these all with the BTS SkyTrain. This way you won't have to worry about being stuck and starving in a traffic jam. Best local food in Bangkok to add to your food list. 1. Jo Chula, Tom Yum Mama Noodles. Find one of the best Tom Yum noodles in Bangkok at Jo, also known as Jo Chula. Featured in the 2019 Michelin Guide, this humble diner is best known for its mama noodle soup served with generous toppings in an iconic savory broth. People flock over to queue for hours to slurp down a bowl of it, but you can skip the queue and enjoy discounted prices when you book your voucher in the description below. Choose from many sets available for 2 to 6 packs and savor all the best dishes in one go, including a large pot of iconic Tom Yum noodles, Thai-style shrimp omelette, crispy pork belly, and stir-fried morning glory. Nearest BTS station, National Stadium. Address: 113 Quang Rong Muang, Ket Patham Wan, Bangkok, 10,330. 2. Tip Sa Mai, Pad Thai. You know a stall is famously good when you see long snaking lines outside, especially in the hot humid Bangkok weather. Some have declared Tip Sa Mai the best pad Thai in Bangkok, and here's why. With over 50 years of history, this plate of pad Thai is different from the rest out there because of one thing: they mix shrimp paste into their dish. This gives the pad Thai a bright orange color, unlike the dull brown colored pad Thai out there. Be sure to order yours with an omelette wrapped around it. Nearest BTS station, Ratchathewi. Address: 313 to 315 Maha Chai Road, Quang Samran Rat, Ket Phra Nakhon, Bangkok 10,200. 3. Watana Panik, Beef Noodle Soup. The master soup stock used to stew the beef has been around for 60 years, just let that sink in. Imagine how flavorful and intense the taste of the broth is after being boiled for that long. This is reason alone to visit the stall. If you need further convincing that Watana Panik has the best beef noodle soup in town, the melt-in-your-mouth beef will have you slurping up every last bit of meat in your bowl. Nearest BTS station, Ekamai. Address: 336 to 338 Soi Ekamai 18, Sukhumvit 63rd, Klong Toe Nua, Watana, Bangkok 10,110. 4. Por Tom Yum Noodles. Claiming to serve the best Tom Yum soup in Bangkok, Por even has a sign for it. If you're looking for some fancy Tom Yum noodles, their lobster noodles come served with crab stuffed with minced meat and roe, a medium-sized lobster, mussels, salmon, sotong stuffed with minced meat and tang hoon, and onsen egg and noodles. While this comes at a price tag of THB 1200, it can feed up to 6 people. Nearest BTS station, Ratchathewi. Address: 6851st Soi Phetchaburi 5, between Soi 5 to 7, Phaya Thai, Ratchathewi, Bangkok. 5. Somsak Bu Op, SM Sak Di Puxby, Woon Sen. Woon Sen means vermicelli, and in Bangkok, it's usually served with crab or shrimp. Somsak Bu Op is a small street-side stall serving up one of Bangkok's best renditions of the dish. This humble establishment, run by just one chef, consists of a mixture of glass noodles, your choice of seafood, and topped with green onions. As with all good stalls, you can expect a queue, but the smoky flavor of the seafood topped with the perfectly seasoned vermicelli is definitely worth the wait. Nearest BTS station, Wangwi An Yai Station. Address: Thanan Jaron Rat Soi 1, Klong San, Bangkok. 6. Hoi Tod Cha Lei, Oyster and Mussel Omelette. The oyster omelette at Hoi Tod Cha Lei is one of the crispiest ones you'll find in Bangkok. This humble eatery is famed for their shrimp pad Thai and their stir-fried mussel and oyster omelette. Topped with plump juicy seafood, it's no wonder this shophouse is a local favorite. Knock yourselves a plate of the signature crispy oyster omelette or a plate of their pad Thai and enjoy discounts on your meal. Check the description. Nearest BTS station, Krung Thonburi. Address: Charoen Nakhon Road, Banglumpulong, Ket Klongsan, Bangkok. 7. Charoen Sang Silom, Ran Sari Sang Silm, Braised Pork Trotter. Braised pork leg khao kha mu is one of the most popular Thai street food dishes, and one of the best places to get this is at Charoen Sang Silom. This hole-in-the-wall eatery is one that you just might walk past if you didn't know about it, but locals from all parts of the city come here just for this. You can expect deliciously seasoned fats that melt in your mouth along with tender pork lean meat, and don't forget your bowl of rice to soak up all that gravy. Nearest BTS station: Sapan Taksan. Address: 492 6th Soi Charoen Krung 49, Bangrak, Bangkok 10500. 8. Pranakan, boat noodles. Thai boat noodles or guai arua are a cheap fix for those craving for a bowl of noodles. These usually come in small servings, and patrons usually order bowl after bowl, aiming to create a tall tower of bowls at the end of the meal. Pranakorn boat noodles is always packed with locals, and that's how you know it's good. The broth is thick, flavorful and fresh, and the noodles are topped with quality ingredients, giving you the best in each bowl. Kluk your Pranakorn boat noodles and you'll get to enjoy 10 bowls of noodles of your choice along with some cola to wash down all those noodles. Grab a friend and share those noodles, or if you're up for it, you can finish 10 bowls on your own. Nearest BTS station: Victory Monument. Address: Phahaniothan Road, Quang Samson Nai, Ket Phaya Thai, Krung Tep Maha Nakhon 10400. 9. Gok Phai Yuen, wonton noodles. While most of us have heard of the famous Pratinam Soy 19 wonton noodles that has insane queues and might not have the same high standards as before, this bowl of noodles from Gok Phai Yuen is definitely worth a try. Located just a few doors down, these Hong Kong-style wonton noodles come with smoky, well-seasoned roasted pork, char siu, tasty savory soup, springy noodles, as well as plump giant wontons. What more could you ask for? Plus, everything is priced between THB 79 to 139, 10 to 18. Nearest BTS station: Thong Lor. Address: 161 7th Soi Thong Lo 9, Quang Klong Tan Nua, Ket Watana, Krung Tep Maha Nakhon 10110, Thailand. 10. Soy Polo, Polo Fried Chicken, Fried chicken. Everybody loves fried chicken, and every country has a different way of doing fried chicken. The fried chicken you get in Bangkok is perfectly crunchy, well-seasoned and extremely addictive. While you stroll along the streets of Bangkok, you'll notice crispy golden fried everywhere. Award a Michelin Bib Gourmand in 2019, the Soy Polo fried chicken is reckoned by locals to be one of the best fried chicken places in Bangkok. The fried chicken is flavored with black pepper and topped with crispy golden brown garlic. Don't forget to dip yours with the spicy sauce that comes with it. Nearest BTS station: Lumpini. Address: 137/1-3 Soy Polo, Th with AU, Wireless Road, Lumpini, Bangkok, Thailand. 11. J Phi, Crab Omelette. J Phi was the only hawker awarded with a Michelin star in the Bangkok Michelin Guide. That alone is reason to pay this place a visit. But, be warned, you will have to wait incredibly long for a plate of this crab omelette. The crab omelette comes at a price tag of 800 Thai baht spot, which is insane for street food. But once you see the amount of crab meat, probably a few crabs worth, stuffed into that omelette, you'll understand what you're paying for. Prices may change. Nearest BTS station: National Stadium. Address: 327 Maha Chai Road, at intersection with Samranrat Road, Bangkok, Thailand. 12. Go Ang Pratinam, chicken rice. Awarded the Michelin Bib Gourmand in 2018, Go Ang Pratinam's Hainanese-style chicken rice in Bangkok is a 5-minute walk from the Platinum Fashion Mall, making it a quick shopping break to rest your tired legs. The dish is a plate of light, fluffy seasoned rice with perfectly poached chicken. Drizzle yours with the dipping sauce for an added kick of spice. They also have side dishes and boiled soups to accompany your plate of rice. Did we mention that each plate of chicken rice only costs 40 Thai bahts? Nearest BTS station: Chit Lam. Address: Punam Market, 960 to 962, Phetchaburi Road, Soi 30, Pratinam, Bangkok, Thailand. 13. Yenli Yours, mango sticky rice. A staple when in Bangkok is definitely mango sticky rice, especially if mangoes are not a fruit you get often back home. Have your fill of this tropical fruit whenever you get to Bangkok at Yenli yours. The smooth mango pudding coupled with the chewy sticky rice and topped with the sweetest and juiciest mangoes are the perfect sweet treat after any meal. Klook your Yenli yours sticky rice combo or a signature smoothie and enjoy discounts on your mango desserts. Just flash your Klook voucher on the app, check link below in description. With so many outlets around the city, find the one nearest to you. 14. Siam Pandan, Pandan Cake Kanam Krok Bai Toi. Kanam Krok Bai Toi is a Thai snack made with pandan and you'll definitely have to try it on your trip to Bangkok. Get yours at Siam Pandan, a humble store that sells this chewy pandan cake as well as other coconut sweet treats. This chewy treat is a great light snack while you shop along the streets of Siam. Nearest BTS station, Siam. Address: Siam Square Soi 6, Quang Patham Wan, Ket Patham Wan, Krung Tep Maha Nakhon 10330, Thailand. 15. Pontip Pratanam, duck noodles. If you're looking for a bowl of delicious duck noodles, the stewed duck at Pontip Pratanam is one of the best in Bangkok. The broth is rich in flavor and the meat is stewed to perfection and fall off the bone tender. It'll have you slurping up your bowl of noodles in no time. Plus, a bowl of noodles only cost 40 Thai bahts. Nearest BTS station, Chit Lam. Address: 922 to 924 New Pechbury Road, Makasan, Ratchathewi, Bangkok, Thailand. 16. Savoi, crab curry. When you're in Bangkok, one of the must-try dishes is curry crab. One of the best places to try this is the Savoi restaurant, known to have one of the best curry crabs in Bangkok. The huge pieces of juicy and sweet crab meat are tossed in a rich fragrant curry sauce that you'll be scraping the bowl for. The deep-fried snakehead merle fish is also another dish you mustn't miss at Savoi. It can get pretty popular at times, so be sure to klook yourselves a free reservation voucher that will also grant you 10 to 15% off all menu items. Check in description below. There are 7 different outlets, so pick the one nearest to you and get ready to stuff your bellies. 17. Thane Restaurant, crispy pork belly. Moo grab or crispy pork belly is a must-try when you're in Bangkok. The perfectly crunchy skin that gives you an eargasm when you bite into it, combined with the soft and tender meat, make for the perfect treat no matter what time of day. Many say the best moo grab can be found at Thane Restaurant. If you're looking for a full meal, order yourself a cow moo grab, a plate of rice with pork belly and a soft boiled egg. They'll also douse your rice with some gravy and give you a side of Chinese sausages. Nearest BTS station, Ari Station. Address: 1161 to 3 Soi Phahaniuthan 5 Ali Phahaniuthan Road, Samsonai Payatai, Bangkok 10400. Plan your Bangkok trip with TH link in the description below. From Thai massage vouchers to floating market day tours, food vouchers, and discounted attraction tickets, we've got you covered from A to Z for your Bangkok adventure.